Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the default home page in CoinStats application. When you first open CoinStats, you may want the app to show a specific view first, like your portfolio or your favorites tab, or another screen instead of the default home page. So fortunately, CoinStats lets you do this. Launch open the CoinStats application on your device and log into your account like you normally do. From the home page, look for the More button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Inside the More menu, scroll down to Settings and tap on it, and inside Settings, go to the Home Screen button and tap on it. Now, you can go ahead and pick your default home screen from the menu. You'll see a list of available screens such as Portfolio, Favorites, Main, etc. Tap the one you want to see first whenever you launch the app, and there you have successfully chosen a default home page for your CoinStats app. Now, restart your application and then you will be able to see your chosen screen as a default home screen. Customizing the default home page in CoinStats help you save time and get straight to what matters most. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.